What is Spyfu? It is an SEO and marketing software that assists you with keyword research, organic and PPC, link generation, including influencer marketing for link building. Today we discuss Spyfu Review, an SEO tool for spying toward your competition in a nutshell and tracking their SEO and PPC campaigns. Other features include domain analysis, SEO survey, PPC overview, keywords reports, SERP analysis, and if this was not enough, Spyfu gives 12 years of actual data. The tool has moved around for a fabulous time and has garnered a reputation in the industry. But is Spyfu the tool you want to spy on your competitors? Let's find out. What does Spyfu do? In their terms, Spyfu exposes the search marketing secret formula from your most effective competitors. Including Spyfu, you can search for any domain, and it will reveal every keyword they rank for on Google and all keyword they've given for on AdWords, now Google Ads. These insights can be valuable when designing an SEO campaign, as you can see precisely what keywords your contestants are targeting and which ones continue driving the most maximum traffic and conversions. You can also track your keyword rankings across Google, Bing and Yahoo, and there exists a backlink tool involved, which highlights the most reliable websites to target for links depending on your target keyword. It's the keyword research toolset that sets Spyfu apart though. Input a seed keyword, and it will provide some assets of keyword data for yourself to use. It includes insights such as top areas on that keyword including their rankings over time stats like research volume, daily clicks and the added value of an organic tick history of rank differences show you wherever, and when to make the right move. A screenshot of every SERP lets you believe the results related terms to encourage new content URLs of the exact content that stands on the keyword you've searched. Features of Spyfu Review. Spyfu has some excellent features, particularly for SEO and PPC research. They also give tools for tracking and can even create great SEO reports concerning you. Let's review all Spyfu features and whereby they can assist you. Spyfu Domain Overview. While you log into your Spyfu account, you'll land on this overview page, where you can enter any URL and notice a domain overview of the website. Here's what's involved in the domain overview. Spyfu Domain Overview Dashboard. Spyfu also explains the organic ranking history of that domain. The past is revealed in the form of a graph that looks pretty cluttered. That's all about the domain overview. Let's see something else Spyfu has to offer. SEO Research with Spyfu. The SEO Research tool gives a complete SEO analysis of a domain. It is research that has the following means. SEO Overview. SEO Overview provides an overview of a domain's organic rankings, keywords, competitors. The summary displays the number of organic keywords and the estimated competitors report. The competitors report tells the top organic competitors of that website as a graph. Moreover, you can also observe the entire list of those competitors below, along with the number of common keywords, monthly clicks, and further information. Spyfu's Keyword Grouper tool. Keyword grouping displays groups of keywords. However, you can choose any group, and Spyfu will show all those keywords in that group. SEO Keywords Report. This tool records all the organic keywords the website is proceeding for. It shows the rank, keyword problem, regularly hunts, and more. You can also order the list by most relevant keywords, recently ranked keywords, page 1 keywords, and many more. Check ranking history. The organic ranking history gives the ranking history of the top 10 keywords from the website. However, you can view the ranking history for various periods. Get backlinks data. Here, you can view all the backlinks of a website. Moreover, it also shows the backlink types to provide you with an idea of the backlink distribution. SEO Reports. Finally, you can get an SEO report with all the features of a website. You can use these reports to land brand new customers. PPC Research with Spyfu. This PPC Research dashboard is very similar to the SEO Research dashboard and details its PPC performance. Here are some tools available in Spyfu's PPC Research tool. PPC Overview. Like the SEO Overview, the PPC Overview shows the monthly summary of a website's PPC performance. Here is the repeated PPC of Elementor to decide how much they spend in PPC and what keywords they are running AdWords campaigns. Competitors. The shows the top ad opponents of the domain. You can examine the complete list of these competitors, forward with the monthly ad. Budget. Check out the screenshot below to discover the PPC competitors of Elementor, including what ads they are running. Combat. The Combat feature of Spyfu provides you with the list of shared paid keywords of the website. The difference here is that it enables you to insert 3 domains to check whether they hold any extending keywords. Keyword groups. Like the organic keyword grouper tool, Spyfu holds a related feature for PPC Research that connects the paid keywords into groups, giving it easy to find related keywords. PPC keywords. This records all the paid keywords of a website, including the monthly paid clicks, also regularly ad budget. Ad history. It is a golden mine to you if you're running ads. Similarly, this feature lets you discover any domain's ad history, including their cost, clicks per month, and coverage. This can help you see how your competitors are changing their ads and working in the industry for paid ads. AdWords Advisor. AdWords Advisor gives top AdWords recommendations. Moreover, it also provides the monthly impressions, cost per month, and possible clicks you can get for the ad for each request. Keyword research with Spyfu. Spyfu gives a ton of features that will help you squeeze out every detail for a keyword. However, it is an example of our favorite Moz alternatives. Keyword overview. The keyword overview explains the monthly searches for a keyword plus other details such as keyword trouble, cost per click, plenty of advertisers for the keyword, etc. With Spyfu, you can immediately see the specific ads currently running toward the keyword. AdWords Advisor. Its tool also gives you the AdWords buy recommendations. I wouldn't recommend you entirely go with the device, but this gives you a great idea to further narrow down your alternatives on the most suitable keywords to offer. Related keywords of Spyfu review. This tool will make a list of all related keywords during the keyword you started. Ranking history. The tool additionally gives an organic ranking history for the keyword, showing the keyword's top 10 websites ranking for the keyword with time. SERP analysis. The SERP analysis lets see the current pages ranking for the keyword. It shows the keyword's ranking difficulty, and other metrics such as expected repeated clicks, domains ranking, domain strength, and added. Spying backlinks with Spyfu. The backlinks tool gives you the list of backlinks for the keyword or website you insert. However, that's no the single thing you can take in Spyfu. What's even great is that you can see the contact information of anyone behind the website you need to build a backlink on. List Builder feature of Spyfu. The Schedule Builder tool by Spyfu lists top domains under various categories such as domains that spend the most on AdWords, environments with most organic traffic, etc. Besides domain top lists, you can also view keyword top lists that suggest keywords based on clicks, CPC, and additional metrics. Spyfu List Builder feature review. Spyfu also lets you request a custom list by filling a form. Lastly, the List Maker tool by Spyfu has a heads feature that creates a list of leads based on the keywords you enter. This leads list contains the domain name, including their contact data. This way, you use these leads to outreach ideas. Spyfu List Builder review. Tracking Spyfu also allows you to track the ranking of your keywords. You can build a project and add keywords to the track. Tracking keyword ranking differences with Spyfu that provide you weekly updates on both your organic, including PPC rankings. Not to mention the experience to keep a record of including track your outreach campaigns with Spyfu. How much does Spyfu cost? Spyfu starts at $33 per month for the basic plan if you pay for the year up front. If you pay monthly, the basic technique will cost $39 per month. Benefits of Spyfu. The main advantages of Spyfu are its strength to search for domains. Moreover, intelligent suggestions and secure contact data. Here are more specifications. Domain search. You can search for domains of any sort and view where in Google these domains showed up, See all keyword they have bought on AdWords, every ad variation, as great as organic ranks in the last 9 years. Moreover, with this ability, users will have a chance to connect with the domains and discover traditional, including online lead methods. Smart recommendations. Spyfu provides intelligent recommendations that drive clicks to a business's AdWords or SEO campaigns, making marketing more effective. The system detects a lousy keyword and eliminates it instantly. Moreover, to receive the most suitable keyword options available. Monitoring tools. The software further provides reliable tools that enable marketers to monitor SEO rankings and paid ads on search engines, including, although not limited to, Yahoo, Bing, and Google. Marketers can leverage the lessons from their competitors by drawing on historic misses and hits. Reliable contact information. Not only does Spyfu help search for domains, monitor SEO rankings on search engines, or offer intelligent recommendations. The software's powerful technology allows transforming Google search results and AdWords data into insightful answers that can help marketers crafting better digital marketing strategies. This platform allows capabilities that help businesses in managing the marketing results that they require. Pros and cons of Spyfu review. Here are the advantages and disadvantages of Spyfu. Spyfu Pros offers a comprehensive set of tools. Data is visualized ideally in the form of graphs, including diagrams. Provides in-depth SEO, including PPC reports. It takes a diverse approach, however, to show data that's important. Excellent at competitor analysis. Spyfu cons. The user interface seems a bit cluttered. White label reports are possible only in professional, including team plans. Conclusion. Spyfu is worth it and is a great competitor research tool. But, it's not just limited to that. You can manage your own websites, SEO, and also apply it to land customers. Moreover, if you're a blogger rather client SEO agency concentrating on the SEO part, semrush, or Hrefs, is a much better option.